Welcome to our exploration of the Zero Waste Movement, where we delve into a transformative approach aimed at minimizing waste and maximizing sustainability. Together, we'll uncover the core principles that drive this movement, the importance of the circular economy, and how we can effectively prevent waste rather than simply recycling it. From community engagement to the challenges faced in implementation, join us as we discuss the significant environmental benefits and the growing global commitment to a waste-free future. 1. Definition. At its core, the zero waste movement is about drastically reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and incinerators. This is achieved by minimizing waste generation and promoting sustainable practices throughout the life cycle of a product, from production to disposal. It's not just about recycling more but about rethinking how we consume and discard items. The movement encourages people to be mindful of their purchases, opting for products with minimal packaging and those that can be reused or recycled. It's a holistic approach that requires a shift in mindset towards sustainability in all aspects of life. 2. Core principles. The zero waste movement is guided by the 5 essential principles known as the 5 R's: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and compost. Refusing unnecessary items, reducing consumption, and reusing products are the primary steps to prevent waste. Recycling comes after these steps, ensuring materials are processed and used again. Composting, or ROT, is the process of turning organic waste into valuable soil nutrients. These principles serve as a roadmap for individuals and businesses alike, helping them to minimize their environmental footprint and conserve precious resources. 3. Circular economy. The zero waste movement aligns closely with the concept of a circular economy, which is all about creating a closed-loop system where waste is minimized. In a circular economy, products and materials are designed to be reused, repaired, and recycled, thus reducing the need for new resources. This approach contrasts sharply with the traditional linear economy, which follows a take, make, dispose model. By adopting circular strategies, businesses can not only cut costs but also contribute to a more sustainable future by keeping materials in use for as long as possible. 4. Impact on landfills. Reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills and incinerators is a primary goal of the zero waste movement. Landfills are notorious for emitting methane, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. By minimizing waste, we can significantly lessen these emissions and conserve landfill space, which is rapidly diminishing. Moreover, incineration releases harmful pollutants into the air, posing health risks to nearby communities. A zero-waste approach helps alleviate these problems by diverting waste from landfills and promoting more sustainable disposal methods. 5. Waste prevention over recycling. While recycling is an important aspect of waste management, the zero waste movement emphasizes waste prevention as a more effective strategy. By preventing waste in the first place, the need for recycling or disposal is greatly reduced. This involves thoughtful consumption, choosing products with less packaging, and supporting companies that prioritize sustainability. By focusing on waste prevention, individuals can make a significant impact on reducing their environmental footprint and promoting a more sustainable lifestyle. 6. Sustainable product design. Advocates of the zero waste movement are pushing for changes in how products are designed. Sustainable product design focuses on creating goods that are durable, repairable, and recyclable. This encourages manufacturers to think beyond the initial sale and consider the entire life cycle of a product. By designing for longevity and ease of disassembly, products can be maintained and repurposed, ultimately leading to less waste. This shift not only benefits the environment but also provides consumers with more value from their purchases. 7. Community and business engagement. The zero waste movement extends beyond individual actions to include businesses and communities. Many companies are adopting zero waste policies, such as eliminating single-use plastics and promoting responsible consumption. Communities are also getting on board, implementing local initiatives to reduce waste and educate residents about sustainable practices. By working together, businesses and communities can create a more significant impact and foster a culture of sustainability. This collaborative effort is crucial for the movement's success and for achieving lasting environmental change. 8. Challenges in implementation. Despite its growing popularity, the zero-waste movement faces several challenges. One major hurdle is the lack of infrastructure for composting and recycling, which makes it difficult for individuals to implement zero-waste practices effectively. Additionally, ingrained consumer habits and the availability of truly zero-waste products pose significant obstacles. Many items are still made with non-recyclable materials, making it challenging to find sustainable alternatives. Overcoming these challenges requires both innovation and a commitment from consumers, businesses, and governments to support zero-waste initiatives. 9. Environmental benefits. The environmental benefits of adopting zero-waste practices are profound. By conserving natural resources, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and protecting ecosystems, the movement contributes to a healthier planet. Minimizing pollution from landfills, plastics, and waste incineration helps preserve biodiversity and supports the well-being of communities worldwide. These benefits underscore the importance of the zero-waste movement and its role in addressing global environmental issues. By embracing zero-waste principles, individuals and societies can make meaningful progress toward a more sustainable future. 10. Global movement. The zero-waste movement has transcended borders, gaining traction across the globe. Cities like San Francisco and Caponori in Italy are leading the way by implementing ambitious zero-waste policies. These cities serve as models for others, demonstrating the feasibility and benefits of committing to waste reduction. Organizations and activists worldwide are working tirelessly to promote waste-free living and encourage governments to adopt supportive policies. The global nature of the movement illustrates its importance and the collective effort needed to achieve a more sustainable world.